Hello students, welcome back to KHC Online Education. In the previous classes, we have already discussed few techniques. Based on that, I want you to solve these questions and you can verify your answers as well. Today, we are going to start with a new technique known by the name multiplication of numbers with a series of ones. So what are numbers with a series of ones? Numbers like 11, 111, 1111, these numbers are known as numbers with a series of ones. So you just have 1 as your digits, okay? So we'll start with 11. Now, you already know the table of 11 maybe, but there is a technique by which you can quickly solve the answer. First, you write the right handmost digit as it is. So in 32, the right handmost digit is 2. So you write 2 as it is, and that is the first part of your answer. After that, you add 2 plus 3, that is 5. So 5 is the next digit. Last, 3, you write it as it is. The answer is complete. So that was so simple. First digit, you write it as it is. In between, you have to sum up the digits. So 3 plus 2 is 5. And then the last digit was written as it is. The multiplication is complete. Similarly, another example we have, multiply 43 by 11. So in 43, 4 and 3 are the digits. So first, you write 3 as it is, right? And then 4 plus 3 is 7. Write it as it is. And then after that, 4 you'll write it finally. So 43 times 11 is 473. The answer is complete. Now, if you have to multiply 64 by 11, first of all, you write 4 as it is. After that, 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4 is 10, but you're not supposed to insert two digits at once. So what should you do? You write 0 and you carry 1. Now lastly, you have to write 6 because the last digit was 6, but this 6 is now carrying 1, due to which we write it 7. Therefore, the product of 64 times 11 is 704. Next, to multiply 652 by 11. Now here there are three digits, okay? In that case, what should we do? First of all, we write the first digit as it is. After that, we add 5 plus 2, which is equal to 7. 7 is the next digit. After you're done with 5 and 2, then you move to 5 and 6. Okay, firstly you wrote 2. After that, 5 plus 2 is 7. After you're done with 5 and 2, you're going to find the sum of 5 and 6. Now 5 and 6 is 5 plus 6 is 11. You write 1 and you're carrying 1. Now lastly, 6 should have been written as it is, but because it's carrying 1, we write it 7. Therefore, the answer is 7172. Now here's one thing that you need to understand. The multiplier 11 had two ones, so we were adding two digits at a time. Similarly, if the multiplier is 111, we will add maximum 3 digits at a time because multiplier 111 has got 3 digits. Similarly, if your multiplier is 1111, here there are 4 ones, due to which we will multiply 4 digits at once in between, and that is how we are going to solve. We'll see the examples one by one. First of all, let's see the multiplication by 111. So to multiply 203 by 111, now 111 has got 3 digits, so you have to add 3 digits at a time in between. Okay, when do you have to do that? You'll see it. Okay, firstly, 3 is the units digit, so 3 you write it as it is. 3 plus 0 is 3. 3 is the next answer or the next digit. Now, as you're done with the first two digits, you have to add 3 digits together. So if you add 3 plus 0 plus 2, the answer is 5. Okay. Now as you're done with the first 3 digits, now remove the last digit and you have 20 left. 2 plus 0 is 2, right? 2. As you're done with 2 and 0, now remove 0 as well. Now you're just left with 2. Then 2 has to be written down as it is. The answer is complete. Therefore, when you multiply 203 by 111, the answer is 22533. Now if you carefully look at this calculation, you see that 2 was the tens digit. You got two twos out here. 3 was the units digit. Sorry, 2 was the hundredth digit, and here you have got two twos. 3 was the ones digit. You got two threes, and in between you got 1 5. 5 is the sum of these two numbers. Similarly, if I'll give you 103 by 111, then by looking at the same answer, by looking at this answer, I'll be able to tell what my answer would be. So here there was 2, you got two twos here. Here we have 1, so we'll get 2 ones. Similarly, 3 is there at the units position, so you'll get two threes, and in between the sum of 3 and 1 is 4. So the answer is 11433. You can check it, you'll get the same answer. Now in this question, you have 3 ones and you're supposed to multiply this number with 201432. Okay, let's start. Firstly, you write 2 as it is. After that, 2 plus 3, which is equal to 5. 2 plus 3 was 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. So 9 is the next digit. As you're done with the first 3, remove the last digit and add the next 3. 3 plus 4 plus 1, 7 plus 8, 7 plus 1, which is equal to 8. As you're done with 1, 4 and 3, remove 3 and now go for 4, 1 and 0. 4 plus 1 is 5 plus 0 is 5. Write down 5. As you're done with 0, 1 and 4, now you're going to find the sum of 2, 0 and 1, which is nothing but 3. And now we are going to do for 2 and 0, which is equal to 2 plus 0 is 2. Write down 2. And lastly, the last digit will be written as it is, and that is why we write one more 2. The multiplication is complete. So just remember, whatever the number of digits you have in your multiplicand, the same times you have to add the digits. So out here, I started with single digit and then double digit, and then 3 digits at a time, 3 digits at a time. After that, again 3 digits at a time, 3 digits at a time, and then 2 digits at a time, and finally the last digit as it is. So these were the techniques involved, or these were the steps involved in multiplying by 111. Now in this example, you see that multiply 210432 by 1111. So you have 4 ones. So you have to add 4 digits at a time. Firstly, we write the units digit as it is, 2. 2 plus 3 is 5. Write 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. So write 9. 9 plus 0 is 9. So we have added 4 digits at once. Okay, you got 9 only. After you're done with the first 4 digit, remove the last digit and count or add the next 4 digits. 3 plus 4 is 7 plus 1 is 8. So next digit is 8. You're done with these digits. Now move to the next 4. 4 plus 0 plus 1 plus 2. That's 7. Right? Write 7. You're done with for the last 4. Now you have to count or you have to add the last 3. 2 plus 1 plus 0 is 3 only. Write 3. After that, 2 plus 1 is 3. Write 3. And the last digit 2 will be written as it is. So you write it 2. The multiplication is complete. Using the same method, we can multiply any number by a series of ones. If you multiply a number by 5 ones, maybe, you can use the same method. The only difference is we have to add 5 digits at a time because there are 5 ones in 11,111. All right. Now you can try these questions and you can solve them and you can verify your answers. Practice makes man perfect. So the more you practice, the more you'll be better and the more confident you'll be. That's it for today's class. I'll see you with the new technique in